Hello and welcome. My name is Marc Blatstein, the physician founder of Physician Pre-Sentence Report Service. Today, I'm going to discuss your allocution. Your allocution is your one and only opportunity to meet and speak with your judge. If you've prepared for your pre-sentence interview, and part of that preparation is your personal narrative, and your narrative is important because it helps the judge understand who you are and why you did what you did, and whether you have remorse and accept responsibility. So the judge already knows at sentencing, they know the Department of Justice wants to convict you. They know the prosecutor wants jail time because you could be, they're going to view you as America's most wanted. And the prosecutor sees that their need is to protect society from people like you. But the one person or the one thing or the one person the judge doesn't know is you. And so this is your chance. If you've if you've provided a well-written personal narrative, that the judge now is going to want to have a conversation with you and to learn who you are. And there are important parts of this allocution. It's okay to be nervous. If you're too nervous, it's okay to have brought in a piece of paper with notes on it. If you were worried, you and your attorney could have done a short video, 10 minutes, that the judge could view. But have a sincere demeanor. Hey, you want to take full responsibility for what you did. Even if you're a large company and a CEO of a large company and something happened within that company, the buck stops at your desk. Having remorse for the victims you've harmed, very important. Um, if you want to go back and read how the judge ruled on Sam Bankman-Fried, part of what he has to say was that he showed absolutely no remorse. There's always victims. And so if you're not sure, either reach out to me, reach out to someone else, but there's a way for you to be comfortable in understanding that we need to figure a way for you to have remorse for the victims you've harmed, because society, judges, and the Federal Bureau of Prisons thereafter, they're all going to know that once you're guilty, there were victims. They want to know, the judge want to know why you want to change your criminal behavior. Have you planned to, in addition to telling your story and not minimizing the seriousness of your crime, what are you going to do to not reoffend? Because the judge doesn't want to see you back in their courtroom again. And take it from me, the judge did tell me not that he didn't want to see me back in his courtroom, and yet we appealed the indictment, and he denied the indictment and sent me back to prison for a short period of time or a long period of time. It was a year and a day, but to me it was a lot. And so, and lastly, the judge wants to know that how you're going to plan to use your time in prison productively. And so here is where you need to begin planning that, albeit you know that there's classes that you need to take from the First Step Act that will address some of anger issues or drug problems or other emotional mental health issues you may have. But in addition, you know that you need to show personal growth and development, and that can only come from you. And so if you don't have your GED, you're going to get your GED. If you have a GED, maybe you want to get a college education. You can have paperback books sent into you 2 a month that are nonfiction, but they're on topics where you have an interest, and possibly one of them could open the door to another career. And so your allocution can change your sentence. It just depends on how sincere the judge feels you are. I'm grateful for you taking the time to listen to this YouTube, and I hope you found it helpful. Have a good day.